Okay.
We would like to present really easy,
Simple.
biology, very simple, evolution, natural selection.
First of all, what is evolution? Basically, evolution is the idea where all organisms living on Earth are the modified children, so everything has a parent, you know? Children of common ancestors, so we all come from the same years ago on our planet. This assumption makes sense of everything we know nowadays about organisms.
Basically, along with diversity, we get to know more and more features we share, because like the presentation before, we all come from the same cell, and our features are mostly like pretty much the same, only the usage difference. But basically, we are built in we were built in the same way,
like you and I, we have the same skeleton, basically.
Yeah, exactly.
So we look the same inside, but not outside.
And we use our part of bodies to different stuff, but they're like pretty much the same.
They're meant to do the same thing. The Theory of Natural Selection by Charles Darwin. Now, for those of you who don't know Darwin, he was a scientist. Charles Darwin was a traveler whose book became the concept of evolution. Let's focus on two main points described by him. Evolutionary history of species, and the second one is evolutionary mechanisms, natural selection.
The first one says mainly it's about the fact that we all come from the same cell, and as we can see, there are 3 flowers, and all of them have the same thing. Has a lip-like that how to call it? An insect can come to it because it sees it. So yeah, basically it's like we all come from the same thing, and we use the same stuff.
Natural selection. Darwin's call for mechanisms of evolutionary adaptation where the natural environment selects for the propagation of certain traits. For example, birds living where tough seeds are good food sources may have especially strong beaks. Okay, so these are all the kind of finches from Galapagos archipelago. So these are basically just different kinds of birds, but all from this family, basically. Finches from Galapagos.
Also, we can add that Darwin mainly focused on these special birds. So
these are special too.
Yeah. Here we can see different kind of birds beaks that they use for different stuff. For example, this one is mostly about eating nectar, and for example, this one is about eating the seeds.
So basically they're formed, we have teeth to chew. That's why we have teeth. We have hands because we need to hold things and carry things and put things together. So it's the same thing with birds. They have long beaks and some have short beaks to do different things with them. Okay, thank you for your attention.
Woo! Francesca!
Why don't you go ahead and read that?
Okay. And would you like to say it? This is our question. On what kind of bird did Darwin make his sources? Where can we find them, and what kind of food do they eat?
Okay, thank you.